Hello, this is Dave Warner from Warner Epoxy. I got the final river table project done, and didn't video all the steps. I sort of forgot. I got so involved in my work, forgot to get the camera ready and turn it on. Anyway, after pouring the river in a form so that it stayed in between the pieces of wood and didn't flow away, I took it out of the form, and then I put 3 clear coat on the wood part of it. And that was a quick coat, Stonecoat Epoxy quick coat. And then after that I did a flood coat over the whole thing, which then gets the sides and everything. It's a whole flood coat. And as you can see, I made the teal, translucent teal. If you have any questions, leave them below and hopefully I can answer them. And if you want this river table is actually for sale. If you're interested in purchasing, send me a message. Thanks.